Hey, if you want to set alarm clock on your POCO X6 Pro, first you have to open the settings. You have to open the app drawer and go into the clock application so it appears just right here. And you will have to click into the alarm, and as you can see we can find some free presets, but if you want to use more alarms, for sure you can add them by clicking right here and set it up. So now, if I want to set the time, I can set between AM or PM. If I'm using 24 to 12 hour format, by swiping like this I can set the time. From here I can change the ringtone, and if I want to get to all ringtones I have to click right here, and as you can see from here I can find some local ringtones like something from my records, audio files or music. Next we can set the repeat, so we can repeat only once. You can get it daily from Monday to Friday, or set the custom. For example, I want to get it on the Monday, Friday and Sunday, and then I can click OK. Then I can go back, I can turn on and off the vibrations and set the label, for example wake up, and tap to set. Now to confirm, I have to click in the right upper corner and it's set up and it's turned on. If I want to turn on and off the previous alarms, I can do this by simply clicking on this switchers. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.